The partnership between Ford and Tesla signifies a significant step towards accelerating the adoption of electric vehicles. By granting Ford customers access to Tesla's expansive charging network, the collaboration aims to address one of the key concerns for EV owners: charging infrastructure. With Tesla's extensive Supercharger network, Ford EV owners will now have access to a vast number of conveniently located charging stations across the United States. This not only eliminates range anxiety, but also provides Ford customers with a seamless charging experience during their journeys. Furthermore, the decision to incorporate Tesla developed charging ports in future Ford electric vehicles showcases a commitment to standardization and interoperability within the industry. This move will contribute to the convenience and ease of charging for Ford customers, as they will be able to utilize the well-established Tesla infrastructure without the need for additional adapters or modifications. Both Tesla CEO Elon Musk and Ford CEO Jim Farley expressed their excitement about the partnership and its potential to propel the electric vehicle industry forward. By collaborating and leveraging each other's strengths, the companies aim to enhance the overall electric vehicle ownership experience and make sustainable transportation more accessible to a wider audience. As the demand for electric vehicles continues to rise, partnerships like this play a crucial role in expanding charging infrastructure and addressing the evolving needs of EV owners. It sets a positive precedent for future collaborations among automakers, fostering a cooperative environment that prioritizes the customer and drives the advancement of electric mobility as a whole. In summary, the partnership between Ford and Tesla represents a significant milestone in the electric vehicle industry. By granting Ford access to Tesla's extensive charging network and incorporating Tesla-developed charging ports in future Ford EVs, the collaboration aims to enhance the convenience, accessibility, and overall experience for Ford customers, while further accelerating the adoption of electric vehicles worldwide.